Most sport yachts in the 80-foot range are either go fast or go live. The Pershing GTX80 is built to do both at the same time. Built by Pershing, part of the Ferretti Group in Italy. This is their GTX series, a sport utility yacht platform designed around the Seascape concept, a full indoor-outdoor living connection maintained at speed. Under the deck, 3 Volvo Penta D13 IPS 1350 drives, each putting out 1,000 horsepower, 3,000 horsepower total. Top end of 34 knots, cruise at 28, range of 300 nautical miles on 1,374 gallons of fuel, 78 feet 8 inches overall, 19-foot beam, 6'3" draft, single level deck plan from the aft cockpit to the foredeck, full width carbon fiber sun deck above the saloon. 4 things set this vessel apart. Seascape, the entire beam opens to merge the saloon with the sea. Carbon fiber construction throughout the superstructure keeps the center of gravity low despite the raised sun deck. 3 IPS drives and counter-rotating pod configuration give you vectored thrust and joystick docking, and the full-width aft platform drops directly to the waterline. It functions as a proper beach club. Below, 4 cabins plus 2 crew quarters. The master suite is full beam, forward, with a private head and separate shower. Saloon volume is genuinely super yacht scale. The fold-flat glass walls make that possible. Bottom line, if you need to cover distance fast and live well while you do it, the GTX80 is one of the few vessels in this class that delivers both. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.